Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we take a look at wireless charging for the Jaybird Vista 2s. So this is a powered pad by Logitech, and it's on sale right now. The graphite and the white are on sale for 30 bucks. Now this is a 10-watt charger, so you know it can charge your AirPods, your phones. It can charge anything that can charge wirelessly. It just so happened that the white version and the graphite version are on sale. Now the lilac and the blue sage are not. They're still 40 bucks, but I think the graphite is actually the best color. Anyway, it's just gonna sit on your desk in your office and wirelessly charge your devices. So if I tilt it up here a little bit, you can see it's flashing there, letting you know that it's wireless charging. And I'll take it off so you can see there. And I put it back on, and it's wireless charging. There's also a light on this side here, and it's very dim, but watch. There you go. You see it go out, and then you'll see it come back on. There you go. So you see? Lets you know that it's wireless charging as well. Because this is the part that'll be facing you. So yeah, I think that's a beautiful thing. So yeah, wireless charging for the Jaybird Vista 2s. It's just fantastic. So this again can be, you can get this. I'll leave a link down to it below. You might want to grab the other colors. I mean, it's a $40 charging pad, and I know there's probably other chargers out there that might charge a little bit faster, but to me, wireless charging period is just slower than plugging in. So it's up to you, but you can actually use this on other things. You don't have to use it just on the Vistas. So for people that like to wireless charge, you can grab any phone you can think of or device, your AirPods. I still have the first gen AirPods, so mine don't wirelessly charge, but you can grab anything in your arsenal that you think might be able to wireless charge. Grab your iPhone, grab whatever, and see if you can pop it on there and get some wireless charging. Now obviously the iPhone is gonna wireless charge. It has wireless charging. Even through my leather case, it still works. So yeah, this is pretty nice. If you order from Logitech, yours will have the Logitech logo, not this Jaybird logo, so just be mindful of that. But pretty nice. I just want to share this with you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.